Opening to the world, we lead the fashion. Haining in Zhejiang province, one of the earliest open coastal cities in China. Geographically, it is perfectly positioned between the international metropolises of Shanghai and Hangzhou. The city has developed a 100 billion yuan fashion powerhouse built on leather, warp knitting, home textiles, and hosiery. In pursuit of opening to the world, we lead the fashion. Haining China Leather City has become China's largest leather market and a first-tier autumn/winter wholesale hub spanning 3.2 million square meters, hosting 6,000+ manufacturers and 11,200 merchants, serving nearly 300 million people. It supplies over 80% of the nation's leather garment trade, and more than 60% of new season designs originate here. The site has 1.55 million square meters of construction. Block A serves the high-end retail market, covering 160,000 square meters with more than 1,300 shops. Blocks B and C are for fur and leather wholesale, covering 137,000 square meters with over 1,500 shops. D Fur Light Luxury Center covers 120,000 square meters with more than 200 shops. Block H is a 160,000 square meter full category wholesale market hosting over 2,000 shops. And the e-commerce center is stationed in blocks E and F, occupying an area of 160,000 square meters with 330 live stream studios. Through 3 decades of growth, the Leather City has started from the headquarters in Haining and built a trade network across 8 provinces and major cities like Harbin, Chengdu, Wuhan, and Tong'erpu. Haining China Leather City keeps improving its full industry chain ecosystem, which runs through raw materials, design and R&D, manufacturing, and multi-channel sales. Online and offline, domestic and international trading are enabled to grow in a coordinated way. Raw material development. International Fabric Center and Raw Material Center occupy a total area of 159,000 square meters, with 480 shops supplying leather, fur, mid- and high-end materials and accessories. They are not only trustworthy suppliers to domestic manufacturers, but form a material base that drives product iteration and design. Design and R&D. Design Building and Brand Fashion Center span an area of 218,000 square meters. They are home to over 200 design firms and 1,200 designers, 12 honorees of the China Top 10 Fashion Designers and China Fashion Design Top Award, and graduates from 14 top fashion schools like Polymoda and the Beijing Institute of Fashion Technology continue to lead autumn/winter trends. Manufacturing. 690,000 square meters of standard workshops, support facilities, and staff houses are built to support this industrial manufacturing base, where cutting-edge design meets premium production and leads the industry. Multi-channel sales. In 2025, Haining China Leather City welcomed 7.43 million visitors. Sales of leather apparel, fur garments, shearling coats, cashmere overcoats, down jackets, leather down hybrids, and other types of autumn/winter fashion clothes surpassed 22.5 billion yuan. The Leather City has accelerated the online-offline integration, developed an e-commerce industrial base, and partnered with platforms such as TikTok, Taobao, Kuaishou, Xiaohongshu, and WeChat. With a focus on industrial chain resource integration and live streaming empowerment, the e-commerce space has contracted with 3,000 streamers with over 100 million fans, driving 20 billion yuan in sales. Haining Chaolai Cross-Border Trade Center launched in 2025 is where the journey of exports starts. An export transit hub is established in Urumqi, Xinjiang. Overseas showrooms and warehouses have been set up in Russia, Korea, UAE, and Egypt. Under the 1413 foreign trade strategy, the Leather City has constructed a one-stop export service system and expanded global sales channels. Haining brands such as Shuibao, Four, and Ruyue Design regularly appear at Milan and Paris fashion weeks. You can find endless inspiration and imagination for fashion at Haining China Leather City and discover a refined, quality lifestyle. Tides surge in Haining. Fashions shine worldwide. Welcome to Haining China Leather City.